If you are new to reselling or you're thinking about getting started in reselling, one of the most confusing things and one of the most frequently questions that I get asked is, well, what can I sell? So in this video, I'm going to show you some things that I picked up this week from my local thrift stores, Walmarts, and Targets that I am going to sell on eBay. But if we're just meeting, my name is Charles, and in this channel I give you the best tips and tools to improve your eBay store. So for videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. So as I alluded to in the intro, I mostly go find items at Goodwills and other thrift stores. But this week, there were so many good deals at Walmart because they're trying to clear out space that there have been a lot of good opportunities there. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I actually picked up that I can sell on eBay for more money. So first up, we're going to start out with Mortal Kombat, the Complete Edition. I picked this game up for $10 and the comps on it go for about $20. And comps mean just comparable price or what I can get for it on eBay. So I picked it up for 10, I can sell it for 20. Now I do want to point out though, I am getting started in Amazon. So some of these games, especially the new sealed ones, I'm actually going to be selling on Amazon because I need to hashtag feed the beast. But I need to build up my Amazon inventory, so these new games probably going to go to Amazon. But for you newbies, I am showing you the eBay prices. Okay, next up we have not one, not two, not three. Yeah, well, just three. Three versions of WWE 2K19. And as you can see, the sticker price, I paid $9 for each of these. Again, comps go for about $20. These prices also include shipping, so I'm not gonna tell you the different shipping costs. If you're gonna do free shipping, these all will ship for about $4, a little bit under $4. So you can calculate that into your free shipping. Next up, we have not one but two versions of GTA 5. Again, $10 to pick up, $20 to sell. Don't think I need to go too deep into that, but $10 into 20, so that's $20 into 40. However you look at it, I'm doubling my money. And then coming in next, we have Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Again, $10 to pick up, and they sell online for $20. All these were on clearance at Walmart. I told you, this week was a really good Walmart week. As we move into our next item, if you're getting value out of this video, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And we're going to move on. The next games that I picked up. This is Fallout New Vegas. These are on the PS3. I picked these up for 3 cents each. 3 cents. 3 pennies. And online price, they go for $20. And again, all these new games, they are feeding the beast with Amazon. But where can you get, how can you beat a 3-cent game? Really, brand new 3-cent game. And if you want to know where I find games like that for 3 cents, there's a website called Brickseek. I'll put that down in the description below. It's a very good resource, especially if you're going to go to retail stores to find deals. Walmart has this thing called hidden clearance. And what hidden clearance is the game. So this game was marked at $14. But when you scan it with the Walmart app, it actually comes up as 3 cents. So that's a big difference in price. Thing is, their inventory, they can't keep up with all the prices. So a lot of things will go on clearance and they don't have time to market. And that's where a site like Brickseek comes into play. They scan the inventory, or they scan the Walmart database. I don't know the technical side of it, but basically they find deals for you. There's a free version of Brickseek and there's a paid version. Right now I'm using the free version. The paid version is $10 and then there's a $25 tier, I believe. You just get earlier and earlier deals, but the free version works perfectly fine. Disclaimer on that site, it's not 100% accurate, not even like 50% accurate, more like 30%. It's a lot of luck, but it'll tell you at least what kind of games to look for. So, or any other item. It's not just games. Any item you want to get, it'll tell you the clearance prices. So then what you do is you can go to the store and then scan those specific items, and then you might find that hidden clearance. Next up, we have Lego Harry Potter Year 1 through 4. I've already sold this game for $15 before. Saw it again, so I picked it up again. This one was actually from Goodwill. It was on a half price day. Sometimes each week Goodwill, they'll have a sticker, and on that sticker, and that sticker coincides to a color. Whatever the color is, they give you half price on the item. So I found this. This was marked at $3, so it was $1.50. I picked it up, and as you can see, it is a complete game, so it has the booklet inside. So good pickup there. Again, I've sold this game for $15, but what I like to do is all these Lego games, I bundle them up and sell them together. So I have Lego Batman, and I believe I have Lego Indiana Jones, all on the Wii. So I'm going to bundle those up and sell them together. And oddly enough, inside those cases were 2 versions of Call of Duty on the PS3. Again, that's weird because it was a Wii game, but we have Black Ops on the PS3 and Call of Duty Ghosts on the PS3. So those were bonus games inside that case. I'm going to lot these up with a Call of Duty lot and sell those together. So as you can see, if you have lower value games, you can bundle them up together and sell them as a lot. So that's a good way to get rid of bulk if you have similar type games. Next up, this one came from Target. This is Skater XL. This game was on clearance at Target for $12. Now, I did pick up 4 of these, and I took back 3 of them because the disc was loose inside. I didn't want to open it because I was going to eat into my profit, so I kept 1 and I kept 2 and sent the other 2 back. Sales price on those go for about $40. Again, that's feeding the beast, so I can get a little bit higher price. I'm going to send all these in. Yeah, I think that's how I'm going to go with it. Again, I'm new to Amazon, so I'm learning the ropes, but I believe FBA is going to be the best way to send that in. So the next game I got was a complete bust for me, and I'll tell you why in a second. But I picked up the Lego Movie on Xbox 360. Now, why is this a bust? Well, first of all, I paid $4 for this game, so that's already a higher price than I want to pay. And as I said a little bit ago, I like to bundle up all my Lego games together. So I picked this up because I thought I had more Lego games in my collection that I can bundle this with. I don't, so this is my sole Lego game on the 360. That's why it's a bust. The next game I got was Just Dance 2015. Again with the bundling, I got this game. This was also $4, but I got it because I have other Just Dance Xbox games that I can bundle this with. So I'm going to lot those all up together and sell them together. I believe in this case, no, it's just this one. So I have Just Dance 15, 14, and then Just Dance and Just Dance 2. So I can bundle those all up together and sell them together. Next up, taking a break from the video games for a second, I got Friday the 13th, this bundle collection. I believe it is all of the movies, the complete history of Friday the 13th. So I believe it's all of the movies, even Jason X, not Jason 10, but Jason X when he goes to outer space. Which brings us to the question of the day. If you are a Friday the 13th fan, which one is your favorite one? Alright, now we're getting into the toys. The next thing I picked up from Walmart, also again, I was using Brickseek. I found these Pokemon Snorlax, whatever the heck these things are, battle feature figures. I don't really think they might do something, I don't know. But I bought 5 of these for $2 each. Again, they were on hidden clearance. They were marked as $10. And when you scan them, they came up as $2. So I picked them all up. He's not the most popular one, I'll admit that. But with the Pokemon 25th anniversary coming up, I figure that it's still a good grab because he's from the Kanto region. I know I'm nerding out on you right now. He's from the Kanto region, one of the original 150. So with Pokemon the 25th anniversary coming up, I think there'll be a little bit of a play on that. Probably get $10 each for these, so $2 and the $10, there you go. Next up, and we'll just go over this real quick, and I only found one of these. It's this little bag of Super Mario Legos. Scanned it, it was $1. It was marked at $5. They were on the shelf for $1, but when I scanned it, they came up as $1. So there's those. They can sell for about $10. This little bag. The next item, and honestly, I did feel weird about getting this, but It was a Lego Duplo Disney Princess set. I paid up a little bit for this one. This was marked at $20. I did pay the $20. I figured as comps on this, brand new this goes for over $100. Used it still goes for the $70 to $80 range. So figured I'd take a chance on it. I do need to count the pieces to see if they're all in there. Don't know that, but they bagged them up really nice, and they have the booklet. So I figured they took the time to bag all of them. It's probably all there. And I have the receipt, so I'll take it back. This next item also felt weird about buying it, but this was for $3. The comps on it sells for $20, $25. And it's the holiday edition Barbie. Sells for $25 on that. Next up, we're getting into some plushes. I picked up this Homer Simpson Radioactive Man thing. I think it is vintage. I think it's from 2015. I want to say, 2005. I think it's, yeah. This thing's from 2005. Not quite vintage, almost, but yeah, Radioactive Man. It's a plush, so it'll be light to ship. And you can comp for $40. I paid $4 for it. This next item was probably a bad buy, but I picked it up anyway. This is a little California Disney bear. It is from the Disney store. It has a Duffy tag on it. It's probably a bad buy. There's not really any sales information on it, but I picked it up because it is Disney, and I paid $2 for it. So I figured worst I can do is throw it up to auction. I'm hoping to get about $10. I may be able to get more. No sold comps, but it is listed a lot higher than $10. So if someone buys it at the higher price, then of course I can get more money out of it. And the last item, and not least, is back to the video games. We have a new in-box Motorola gaming headset. This was specifically for the head coach football game, but it really works on any game. I picked this up because it was new. I paid $4 for it, and comps on this guy goes for about $25. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. I've been getting a lot of questions about what specific items should I pick up to sell, so I just wanted to show an example of some stuff you can pick up to sell. And as always, here's the totals. So I paid a total of this, and I expect to get a total profit of this after fees and shipping. And thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.